Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to show you my today's breakfast, and here I am taking some idli. This is fresh idli, homemade idli, and here some potato curries, potato and carrot curry, and here almond, 2 strawberry, uh, 7-8 grapes, some tomato chutney, and this is tindura chutney. It's going to be very healthy, and I like this types of some oil I have added, and now I'm going to add some. This is black mustard seeds. Let them splatter, and then add some onion, and now I'm adding some curry leaves and chicken, and here 1 potato and 1 carrot, salt according to your taste, turmeric, mix it, and now add the potato and carrot. And then add 1 cup of water. And now let it cook for 15 minutes, and then after that we will add the spices. This is cinnamon powder, and here garam masala powder. Add very little amount. Now mix them together. Smelling is very nice. And last, add some chili powder. And it's ready to serve. I hope you guys like it. See you soon in another video. Bye. Take care.